Hey, what's up guys? So we're set up. We've run through our apps, check weather, airspace, things like that. So the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna run through a pre-flight checklist, ensure that everything hardware and firmware is up to date on the drone. We're gonna make sure that there aren't any cracks in the props, anything like that. And then we'll also do kind of one final check on everything before we set up and launch. So I'm gonna pull up a PDF checklist that we usually run through, and I'll kind of set it off to the side here in the screen while we check everything out on the drone. Once we're good to go, we'll set up our launch area and we'll take off. All right, so now we're gonna run through the pre-flight checklist. We've got our digital PDF here. You can see I've got some of the stuff already filled in. For the purposes of this, I don't have an additional crew member or a VO. And so for operational checklist, now we're just gonna go through, run through this, make sure that we check all these boxes or all the ones that are relevant to our operation today. And then we are going to sign off on it and we will store a digital copy. I back them up online, keep them with our flight logs for the day. It's also good to have on you in case you ever do get ramp checked by the FAA. You know, stuff like this makes them feel more comfortable about the flight operations. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so now we have ran through the checklist. We've had a successful flight, landed back safely. So now we'll just save that document, upload it with your flight logs or with your data or wherever you store everything. If you'd like a free copy of the PDF document that we used, just drop your email below or swipe up and fill out the contact form and we will shoot one over to you for free. And I will see you guys next time.